Ever wondered about the technology and trends behind today's popular cryptocurrencies? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the digital landscape of Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, and Polkadot. We'll be delving into Ethereum's smart contracts, Ripple's quest to reshape banking, and the innovative ideas driving Cardano and Polkadot. We'll even decode the tech behind these digital currencies. Welcome to the Crypto Spotlight. Let's dive in. First up, Ethereum, Bitcoin's brainier cousin. Where Bitcoin could be likened to digital gold, Ethereum takes on a more dynamic role. It's a digital playmaker, a platform that does more than just exist as a form of digital currency. Ethereum is the lifeblood of smart contracts, the self-executing blockchain-based agreements that are changing the way we do business. Imagine a world where contracts don't just sit in dusty filing cabinets, but live, breathe, and operate autonomously on a blockchain. That's the world Ethereum is creating. With Ethereum, contracts become more than just written agreements. They become smart contracts that automatically execute themselves when certain conditions are met. Now you might be wondering, how do these smart contracts work? Well, think of a vending machine. You select your snack, insert your coins, and the machine automatically dispenses your chosen items. Similarly, with a smart contract, you input your terms and conditions, and once they're met, the contract executes itself. No need for lawyers, notaries, or any other intermediaries. But what makes Ethereum uniquely suited to this task? Well, it's all about the Ethereum blockchain. Unlike Bitcoin, which uses its blockchain purely for financial transactions, Ethereum's blockchain is designed to store different types of data. This versatility makes it the perfect platform for smart contracts. A smart contract on the Ethereum platform could be used to facilitate a wide range of applications. From creating decentralized applications or dApps to issuing new cryptocurrencies, the possibilities are vast. So, let's say you want to rent a house. Instead of going through a real estate agent, you could use an Ethereum-based smart contract. You would agree on the terms with the landlord, such as the rent amount and due date, and these conditions would be coded into the smart contract. When the due date comes, if you've paid the rent, you continue to have access to the house. If not, the smart contract could automatically revoke your access, all without the need for a middleman. But it's not just about eliminating intermediaries. Ethereum's smart contracts also bring a new level of transparency and trust to transactions. Each smart contract is stored on the Ethereum blockchain, meaning it's publicly visible and can't be changed once it's been created. This transparency means that all parties can trust that the contract will be executed exactly as agreed. So, Ethereum is not just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform, a digital playground for smart contracts. It's the fuel that powers a new way of doing business, one that's more transparent, more efficient, and more democratic. To sum up, Ethereum is more than a cryptocurrency. It's a digital contract maker. It's the backbone of a new digital economy, and its potential is only just beginning to be realized. The world of Ethereum and smart contracts is vast and complex, but understanding it is key to unlocking the full potential of the blockchain. So let's keep exploring, let's keep questioning, and let's keep decoding the crypto code. Next, we surf over to Ripple, a cryptocurrency that's more like a financial diplomat. Ripple, unlike other cryptocurrencies that aim to replace traditional banking systems, seeks to work in harmony with them. It's the friendly neighbor, the one that brings over a fruit basket when you move into a new neighborhood. Ripple's mission: to streamline international payments, making them faster, cheaper, and more accessible than ever before. Imagine for a moment the current process of international money transfers. It's like a global game of telephone with your money as the message. It starts at your bank, hops over to a domestic clearinghouse, leaps across the ocean to an international clearinghouse, and finally lands in the recipient's bank. Each step adds time and cost to the transaction. Now, enter Ripple. Ripple acts like a global financial express lane, a superhighway for international transactions. It cuts out the middlemen and reduces the time and cost of transferring money across borders. But how does it do this? The secret sauce is Ripple's XRP token. XRP is the jet fuel that powers Ripple's global money express. Think of XRP as a mediator, a neutral party that facilitates the exchange of different currencies. It's like having a financial translator that speaks every currency language. This financial translator smoothly facilitates conversations between banks globally, allowing them to swap currencies in the blink of an eye. For example, let's say you want to send money from the United States to Japan. Normally, you'd have to exchange your dollars for yen, a process that could take days and incur hefty fees. But with Ripple, you can convert your dollars into XRP tokens almost instantly. Send these tokens across the Ripple network to Japan, where they are converted into yen just as quickly. It's a game changer, a revolution in the world of international finance. But Ripple's ambitions don't stop at international money transfers. Ripple envisions a world where XRP is used as a bridge currency, a universal translator for all global transactions. In this world, XRP could be used to facilitate trade in commodities, securities, or any other form of value. In essence, Ripple is aiming to be the future of international transactions. By bridging the gap between different financial systems, Ripple has the potential to transform not just banking, but the entire global financial landscape. And with each wave it makes, Ripple brings us one step closer to a world where money moves as freely as information does today. Now, let's meet some of the new kids on the blockchain, Cardano and Polkadot. These emerging coins are like the tech-savvy millennials of the crypto world, bringing fresh ideas and innovations to the scene. First up, Cardano. This is a cryptocurrency that prides itself on a scientific approach to blockchain. It's like that friend who always did their homework and aced every test. Cardano's developers use peer-reviewed research as the bedrock of their platform, aiming to create a more secure and sustainable network. This means they meticulously study all aspects of blockchain technology and apply rigorous academic research to solve complex problems. The result? A cryptocurrency that's robust, secure, and forward-thinking. It's as if a group of PhD students got together to build a blockchain, and Cardano is their brainchild. But it's not just about being the smartest in the room. Cardano is also about inclusivity. It aims to democratize finance, making it accessible to everyone, everywhere. So it's not just a cryptocurrency, it's a social movement aiming to make a real difference in the world. Next, we have Polkadot. Now, if Cardano is the academic, Polkadot is the social butterfly. It's all about blockchain harmony, creating a space where different blockchains can communicate and work together. Imagine a world where Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other blockchains can all talk to each other, share information, and collaborate. That's Polkadot's vision. It's like the United Nations for blockchains. Polkadot's interoperability means that it can process multiple transactions on different blockchains simultaneously. It's like having a multi-lane highway instead of a single-lane road, allowing for a smoother and faster journey. This makes Polkadot incredibly efficient, scalable, and versatile. It's not about competing with other blockchains. It's about complementing them and creating a more cohesive blockchain ecosystem. So, what does all this mean for the world of cryptocurrencies? Well, it's clear that these emerging coins are not just about currency. They're about building more robust, interoperable, and efficient blockchain ecosystems. They're about reimagining what blockchain technology can do and pushing the boundaries of innovation. With their unique approaches and visions, Cardano and Polkadot are certainly ones to watch. These emerging coins are building more than just currency. They're creating the next generation blockchain ecosystems. Let's put on our geek glasses and look at the technical side. Cryptocurrencies operate on technology that's a bit like a digital diary, etching each transaction into the annals of the internet. This technology is called blockchain. Imagine a diary that's not just single but has countless copies spread across the world. Each entry, or block, is like a page in this diary, logging transactions in a secure and transparent way. The moment you write a new page, it gets copied and spread across thousands of computers or nodes worldwide. So even if one page gets torn or lost, the diary remains intact. Now you might be wondering, how does this diary keep its contents safe from prying eyes? That's where cryptography, the art of writing and solving codes, comes in. Each transaction is secured with a cryptographic seal, a complex mathematical puzzle that only a powerful computer can solve. This seal ensures that once an entry is made, it can't be altered or deleted. It's like using an unbreakable secret code to protect your diary entries. But the beauty of blockchain doesn't stop there. It's not just a secure diary, it's also a very efficient one. Traditional banking systems take time to process transactions, especially international ones. But in the world of blockchain, transactions can zip across borders in minutes, if not seconds. It's like having a diary that not only safeguards your secrets, but also delivers them swiftly and efficiently. Another fascinating feature of blockchain is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional systems where a single authority like a bank or government has control, in blockchain, power is distributed among all the participants. It's like a diary that's not owned by one person, but shared equally among all its readers. Finally, let's talk about smart contracts, the blockchain's intelligent offspring. These are self-executing agreements that live on the blockchain. They kick into action when certain conditions are met, eliminating the need for a middleman. It's like having a diary that can not only record agreements but also execute them automatically. Understanding the tech behind these cryptos helps us appreciate their potential to revolutionize various industries. From finance to supply chain, healthcare to governance, the applications of blockchain technology are as limitless as the pages of our digital diary. It's a brave new world out there, and we're just starting to turn the pages. That's a wrap on our crypto spotlight. We've journeyed through Ethereum and its game-changing smart contracts, surfed the financial waves with Ripple, and met the rising stars Cardano and Polkadot. We've also delved into the technicalities that underpin these digital currencies. Remember, these cryptocurrencies aren't just about financial transactions. They're building blocks for a more transparent, efficient, and interconnected digital world. So stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the world of cryptocurrencies.